Hey guys, so I have a new project. Yeah, a Lincoln, a four door where I really wanted. I had a two-door. That was actually a really nice car. Probably you guys can see my previous videos. That was a black two-door coupe. I got a great offer for that car, so I sold it, and I bought this. That was a local car. Actually, I see this car side of the road for sale. Hey Max. For 5,500 about probably 3 years ago, or at least two. And somebody else bought it. A young guy. That was his first car. And then a couple months later, he put back on the market for $9,000. Probably he trying to do a little bit of profit on it. But then he reduced the price to $8,000. And I didn't see the car for a while, but then come up on the marketplace again for $4,000 and says the car is not running. The $4,000 is not bad for this car. Kind of rust-free, almost all the way. We will do a little walk around, but then surprisingly he reduced the price for $1,500. And I said, okay, that's a nice body. Not my favorite color for sure, but it has a nice body, four-door, and has a 460 in it because that's 74. So I offered him $900, and he said, okay. Somebody called on him the city, the code enforcement, and then he said he have to move the car because otherwise he have to junk it. So that was late night. I go there like 9 or 10 o'clock. I check out the car in dark, but for $900 is nothing really surprised. But the power windows doesn't work, just only one. Won't start, battery wrong, the seat was removed. He put it back then. The muffler was removed, the exhaust system was removed. So like just anywhere I see, I just saw, like work has to be done. And I said I wasn't sure I will buy it. But next morning, he contacted me, he gave me for $800. So I said, okay, $800 for this thing. I said, okay, I will take it. So I bought it. I go back with trailer, pick it up, and let's work on it.